on here is Catch197, and we're doing a life hack. Yeah, maybe that's a little bit too stupid, but instead of buying a boat, you can make one. So first you need, wait, I don't have all the materials I need. So, peace. I'll see you right in a second. Okay, guys. Now here is what you'll need. You'll need 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. You'll need one of these. If you don't have one, get anything like one of these. It'll just take a little bit shorter. And I still don't have everything I need. So I'll see you in a second. And guys, you will need scissors and tape. If you don't have these, you better go and get some. So first, we'll need these. Now this will be your back. The front will be your back. I know, it will be. It's sort of like this. And it'll sort of look exactly like this. Okay, guys? Okay. I'll turn it over here so y'all can see the whole entire thing. Then you'll need what is pretty hard to find. I'll see you guys in a second as soon as I get this opened. Okay, guys, we're back. Now, simply what you want to do is measure how long it will be, and then you cut this piece off and go right to the side where the cotton is, whichever side you want to start at. And when you bring these two together, if it doesn't fit, guys, I will see you in a second as soon as I fix this. Okay, we're back. So you just want to do this, take that together and that together. But that ain't all. No, that ain't. So first, you'll have to measure this side, like of this. When you see this, and then you cut this right here, take that off, and then do this. Okay? And that should be all on that side. You flip it over, and it should look like that. Now, you can get some markers. I'll get them for you. You get markers. As many markers as you can. As many markers as you have. I would have black one until I lost it. So, you go right here. You draw and edit. Well, after you draw and edit, well, you basically have to measure your sides so you know what you fold. Yes, I said fold. And then it should look like this. See? What? And you should do this on the back. I forgot to tell you that. Okay? And then you get this and you fold it up like that. And then you get this, and then you fold it up like that. So water doesn't get in. And then you get this, and you fold it up like that. And then you get this, and then you fold it up like that. Like this. Okay. So guys, you should, when you're finished with that, it should look something like this. And that's the simple, no buying, no broke life hack. Now y'all can edit it whatever you want. Just give a lot of markers and do what I did. So let me show you one more time. It should look like this. The back should look like that. If you follow these simple instructions, get some water and all of that, you should get exactly what I have, and it should flow. If it doesn't, then put a dislike on this video, but please don't put a like and subscribe. If you're new to this channel, like I said, subscribe. Bye.